spritny sang. En sang, der hedder, den er på engelsk, og den hedder Please Be Gentle With Me. I en hård verden, you need some gentleness. Ice in the middle of summer, blizzards in July. It seems my life is always upside down, and I really don't know why. All that I'm asking is for you to understand, 'cause I'm so afraid when you let go of my hand. So would you please be gentle with me? Oh, could you please be gentle with me? Sun is out in winter, leaves on trees appear. It seems to me there's always something wrong, but all I know is you're not here. All that I'm asking is for you to understand, 'cause I'm so afraid when you let go of my hand. So would you please be gentle with me? Oh, could you please be gentle with me? All that I'm asking is for you to understand. I'm so afraid when you let go of my hand. So would you please be gentle with me? Oh, could you please be gentle with me? Thanks so much.
That is a beautiful new song. I love the theme, and yeah, I can really relate to that, yeah, you are out and you're having a shit day, and then you go home and then there's somebody who treats you very softly, and that really makes all the difference. Give it up one more time for Songbird. Next up,